All right, today I'm gonna swap out my 32 SA rotor sprinkler. I mean, look at this plastic top that just got thrashed by like either stepped on it or a weed eater got it. We're gonna replace it with these. This is I think this is a major upgrade. The Rainbird 3500. The seal on here, it's made out of rubber, so it's like twofold. It's more durable with the rubber. It's not gonna crack like this plastic over time in the heat. The plastic is just gonna be compromised by the sun and everything, the elements. But this one, it's got the rubber seal, have a better protection as far as dirt and sand getting in here, because it's got kind of a seal you have to get into with your tool. Got a click clutch. You don't have to use this tool when you're going to adjust your stops. It's got a clutch in there that enables you to click past the stops if you need to make those adjustments. Okay, first though, I want to go ahead and swap out the nozzle. So you just stick this in here and you rotate it. It's pre-installed with a number 3 nozzle, but that's way too strong for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that out of here. I have the 3500 in the ground, so I have my left stop here. You can see it's a nice little arrow pointed to the left stop side of where I want it to water, and then we'll as it waters, it'll rotate to the right stop and it clicks and stops. And I think I want to go just a little bit more, so I'm gonna go ahead and the plus is over here, so I'm going to stick my screwdriver in here. All right, so my left stop and checking my right stop to see where it stops, and I need it to go a little bit more, so we'll go ahead and make an adjustment here, turning it clockwise, and we'll reset on the left stop and go to the right stop, and that looks probably good enough. We'll find out once we turn it on. All right, we're fired up. Got the 1.0 nozzle in there. We'll go ahead and see where we are at the left stop. Looks like it's shooting a little bit further than I want it to, so we'll have to make an adjustment there as well. Let's see. Left stop. Close enough. And then we can speed it up and turn it to the right. That looks pretty good. Now, my distance, I want to knock that down a little bit. So you just get in there and turn it to the right, and it'll start to mist it a little bit more and decrease the distance. It was overshooting a little bit too much in the dirt there. I don't need it to go that far. But we're perfect here on the left stop and returning back to the right. So I'm generally pretty happy about that. And it's putting out pretty good distance here, hitting that sprinkler head there, head to head over there, as well as over here. And it's getting most of that middle area there, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy. These are awesome sprinklers. Now, I'm not completely happy where my left stop ends up. Now, ordinarily you'd have to rotate the entire body to adjust the left stop, but with a click clutch, all you got to do is you'll turn it all the way to the right stop. You hear it click. Now you're gonna turn it back towards the left stop a few times. Now, if you go back to the right a couple clicks, each click will adjust that left stop. And now it's not as far. Now I'll go ahead and see where that ends up. It's a little too far. I can turn it. I turned it with that click clutch. It's hard to hear when it's on, but now it should have made that adjustment. We'll just let it run its cycle here, and then we'll see how satisfied I am. I don't need it to cover that much. This area is pretty wet, so yeah, where it stops there, I'm pretty happy.